Hello Tikkies, welcome to our compression action video series of MS Power Automate desktop. In this video, we will discuss about compression action. So let's learn about zip file action and unzip file action. So let's understand first where we can use zip file action and unzip file action. So first one, zip action. So this action is used for zipping the folders or file present in a particular folder or a directory on our PC. And unzip action. This action is used for unzipping the folders or a file present in a particular folder or a directory on our PC. So let's open MS Power Automate desktop and see the parameter of both action, zip action and unzip action, and after this we will create a flow with the help of zip action and unzip action so that we could understand where we can use zip action and unzip action practically. Let's understand the parameter of both action one by one. So our first action is zip files. Just type zip in action panel and here you can see both action zip files and unzip files available under compression section. Just drag and drop zip file into workspace and here you can see zip files action description. Compress one or more files or a folder into a zip archive. Here you can see the parameter. First parameter is archive path. In archive path you can mention the full path of zip file to create. If the file already exists, this action adds the new zip file and or to the existing zip file. If the zip file already contain a file or a folder with the same name, it will overwritten. And file to zip parameter, you can mention the full path of files or folder to include in the zip file. In compression level parameter, here we have a 4 option: none, best speed, best balance of speed and compression, best compression. You can choose as per your requirement. I recommended to choose best balance of speed and compression. And password parameter, here you can mention the password to use for protecting the zip. Leave this attribute blank to create a non-password protected zip. In archive comment, here you can mention the comment to include in the zip file as a file property. So this is all about zip file action parameter. Let's move to our another action, unzip file action. Just drag and drop into workspace. Here you can see unzip file action description. Uncompress one or more files or folders contained in a zip archive. Here you can see the parameter. Archive path parameter, you can mention the full path of zip file to be extracted and destination folder. Here you can mention the full path of the folder to extract the archive to. This overrides file in the folder with the same name as a file in the archive. And password parameter, here you can mention the password if any that is used for the archive. If the zip file isn't password protected, leave this blank. Include mask and exclude mask. Let's understand the parameter of both include mask and exclude mask. This parameter is basically used for filtering the file and folder, which folder you want to zip or unzip. So here you can also see the description, the filter to limit the file extracted to those entered here. This allow wildcard, for example, you can see, or to allow multiple file filters separated the choice with a semicolon. For instance, you can see the example. So this is all about unzip file action parameter. I hope you understood about both action parameter, zip file and unzip file action. So let's create a flow to understand live example. For this, I have already created a flow for our time saving. Let me explain what I did in this flow, and after this we will run and see the output. Here you can see I have taken G file action. Let's open and see. In archive path, here you can see I have mentioning this path. You can see in my local system this path I am mentioning, and here you can see after this path I am mentioning test.zip because I want to create zip with test.zip. That is why I am mentioning test here. And file to zip, here I am mentioning file, this file you can see, this file demo file, here demo folder path I am mentioning, and after this you can see compression level I am selecting best balance of speed and compression. Password I don't mention anything in password parameter. Archive comment, here you can see I have mentioned test, and here after this you can see here in unzip file action you can see the archive path I have mentioning this path. You can see in my unzip path, here I am mentioning this path, and after this here destination folder I am mentioning this one. You can see this one, and previous one I am mentioning this path, this. So here you can see in parameter of unzip files, and password I am not mentioning any password in password parameter, and include mask and exclude mask I am also not mentioning anything in this parameter. So this is all about the flow of zip file and unzip file. So let's run and see the output. Before running this flow, let's see here in my system. You can see here is a demo folder. In demo folder there are multiple files are available. After this you can see in unzip file there is no file is available, and zip file there is no zip file is available. So let's run and see the output of this flow. So I am running this flow. Here you can see your flow has been executed successfully. Let's see in folder. Here you can see in zip folder test zip is created with the help of our flow, and here you can see unzip folder this unzip file is already available. So I hope you understood about both action parameter zip files and unzip file, and also where you can use zip file and unzip files action. So thank you for watching this video. We will meet in a next video.